Привіт, друзі! Hi friends! Welcome to my channel. My name is Nika Minchenko and today we are having the second lesson for beginners and we will talk about personal pronouns in Ukrainian. Особисті займенники. So let's see. On your slide you can see the Ukrainian pronouns with translation into English. I will read just Ukrainian ones. So repeat by me. Я. Ти. Ти. Він. Вона. Воно. Ми. Ви. Вони. If you need to repeat them once again, just play back the video and listen once again. And we go on. You see that we have two forms of you in Ukrainian. The first one, ти, is for singular informal. So to one person with whom you have informal communication. The form ви could be used either for a group of people, so we, all of you, or for one person with whom we are having a formal communication. Let's see the pronouns in sentences. Try to understand the meaning from the context. Я вчитель. Ти програміст. Він веб-дизайнер. Вона студентка. Воно чудовисько. Ми команда. We're a team. Ви адвокат. Вони студенти. Now regarding воно чудовисько. In Ukrainian language we do not use the pronoun it, ВОНО, as much as in English. For example, all the animals in Ukrainian, the same as people of course, will be animate, so they will be called with pronoun he or she according to their sex. So any cat, dog, hamster will be він or вона when you speak about him or her. Воно will be used about mostly inanimate, neuter objects, and sometimes about creatures that are half alive, like чудовисько, monster. It's a monster, чудовисько. It's like half alive, that is why we call it it. Or for example, the book of Stephen King, ВОНО, it, about the clown, Pennywise. And basically this is all about the pronouns themselves. But now I want to discuss the writing of the pronoun вы with a small letter or capital letter, because sometimes it causes some questions. So if you're addressing a group of people, doesn't matter what communication you have, formal, informal, it always will be вы with a small letter. If you're addressing one person, and it is formal communication, I mean formal documents, formal letters, then you have to use вы with capital letter. But if it is just some messenger, social media or whatever kind of this, then it will be with a small letter. Actually, the usage of a capital letter for вы is reducing nowadays. Another important moment is how to offer a person informal communication. What it means? Usually to all people whom we don't know, we say вы. And we will keep saying we if we are having formal communication with them. If it's at work, if it is our partners, if it is some state organization and so on, or if a person is much older than you, then you say вы to them. But if it's a person of your age, approximately the same status, we will change to ты. We will switch to ты. And we have a few ways to do it, to offer switching to ты. They are давайте на ты, давайте на ты. Like let's go to ты. Давайте на ты. О. Перейдемо на ти. Перейдемо на ти. Like, let's go to ти. Перейдемо на ти. Пропоную перейти на ти. Пропоную перейти на ти. I'm offering you to switch to ти. Пропоную перейти на ти. And the last one, the most informal. Можна на ти. Like, may I say ти to you? Можна на ти. And of course you can agree or disagree. Так or ні. Let's read the dialogue. Я Таня, а ви? А я Віка. Давайте на ти. Так, звісно. Yes, of course, or yes, sure. Okay, very good. Now let's just have a small test. You can see pictures and tests. Here we have the word це. Це is translated as English structure this is or these are. For example, I could say це телефон. This is a telephone. So you just need to choose the correct personal pronoun according to the picture. Stop the video, write down your answers, and we will check it in a few seconds. I hope you have done it, so let's see. The correct answers are це вона, це вона, це він, це вони, це вона і це він. If the first three pictures should not call any problems or questions, the last two could. So how I define that a dog is feminine and we use ВОНА, and a cat is masculine and we use ВІН? Because of the names that are written on the pictures. Alisa is a feminine name, so we say this dog is a girl, so we will say це вона. And the cat has the name Барс, which is masculine name, and we would say це він. This is he. As I said, about animals, we don't use it in Ukrainian. We don't say ВОНО. Well, sometimes we do, especially for tiny kids, tiny cubs of animals, but usually no, especially about the pets. So this is it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please give me a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to share this video with your friends who may also be interested in learning the Ukrainian language. Thank you very much for attention. Дуже дякую. In the next lesson we will learn the most basic polite phrases in Ukrainian. Greetings, farewell, how to say thank you, and so on and so on. So, дякую. І до зустрічі! See you soon! Бувайте!